Hello everyone, welcome back to the Software Testing by Guruji YouTube channel. As a part of this video, we are going to understand how to install the IntelliJ IDEA in your local system. So here we are installing the IntelliJ IDEA in Windows 11. So step by step we will see how to install it. First we need to open the favorite browsers, then type IntelliJ IDEA download in the search bar and you will able to see the jetbrains.com website. Just click on it and select the operating system. Once you select the operating system, then you will able to see the download button. Just click on the download button. After completing the download, just double click on the .exe file, and once you double click on the .exe file you will able to see the pop-up. So till this point we will see how to install it. First open the favorite browser, search here IntelliJ IDEA download, then you will able to see the JetBrains website. Just click on the first website, then we are able to see the operating system here, and I want to download it for the Windows, so I am going to click on the download button here. Once I click on the download button here, and you will able to see the downloading started here. So it is almost 1 GB download, so it will take few minutes. I already downloaded it. I will double click on the already downloaded extension .exe file. Once I click on the double click on the .exe file, then it will open the pop-up for me to do the installation. So wait for a few minutes. Once you double click on it, then click these steps we have to follow. We need to keep the default location as it is. Then we need to select the few options, then select the language and click on the install button. At the last we need to finish it. So same thing we are going to do here. Here I am going to select the yes, then next. Then here space required is 4 GB, and here it is showing the default location. So under the program file section, it is going to create the one folder. So I am keeping as it is and clicking on the next. Now here we need to select the few checkboxes like create desktop shortcut, then update path like add bin folder to the path, then update context menu, add open folder as project. Then we need to select create associations, Java, Gradle. If you want any other language accordingly, you have to select these options. I am selecting two for now, clicking on the next. Here we don't have to do anything, just click on the install. It will take few minutes to complete the installation, and after completing the installation we are able to see the finish button. So we need to click on the finish button. So it started installing. Meanwhile, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. If you want any help from me, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I will help you to resolve your issues. After completing the installation, I will try to execute the IntelliJ Java first program so that you will able to understand how to create the project, how to create the class, and inside the class how to write the code and how to run that code. Once you get that, then you will able to write your first program as well in your local system. Yes guys, so installation is completed. If you want to click on the finish, then you can click on finish, or if you want to open the IntelliJ, just click on the run IntelliJ and click on the finish. Otherwise, other option you can follow as just double click on the IntelliJ idea. So right now I'm checking this box and clicking on the finish. So it will take few minutes to open the IntelliJ. Yeah, it's opening now. And after opening, I will tell you how to create your Java first program. So here you can see the new project option. Just click on it And on the left side panel you need to select the Java as you are creating the Java project. And then next provide the title as first Java project. Then here select the build system as IntelliJ and uncheck this box and click on the create. So it will create your Java first project. If you want to do the some tour here, just click on the start quick tour, otherwise you can click on the skip. So inside this project structure you will able to see the src folder. So in the src folder I am now going to create one class, Java class. Here I am giving the name as first program, and inside this first program I want to create the main method. For that I am typing the main and main a. So second one I am going to select here. Once I select that, automatically it will the write the whole syntax. Then I am going to write the printing statement system dot out dot println, and inside this printing statement I am going to write sentence as my first Java program. And that's it. Just to save it and you can run from here, otherwise you can do the right click and run first program.main. Just to click on it, it will execute your Java first program and you will able to see here your output, my first Java program. So in this way you can install the IntelliJ in your local system. So all these steps you have to follow one by one. I am going to paste it in the description of the YouTube video, and to create the Java program also you need to follow these steps. For thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.